Hello friends, today I will show you how to configure e-commerce tag triggers and variables on an e-commerce site. So I have created this demo shop on which I will configure add to cart, remove from cart, login, then view cart, then checkout process, then purchase. So all the e-commerce events, how we can track them, what will the parameter values, what will be the triggers, how we can configure in the Google Tag Manager. I will just walk you through this. So this is my site which I have configured on a WordPress, and these are some elements I have created. This is the categories, these are the products. So we will just start tracking all these parameters as a part of e-commerce tracking in the GA4. This is my analytics account on which I will be tracking all these events and parameters. I will just show you how I have created the settings on this. Okay, so these are data stream settings. As you can see, I have configured this. So all those stream ID, then measurement ID, then all the advanced tags I have also configured. In the enhanced e-commerce tracking I have enabled, but this is not suffice each and everything, so I have to configure this tagging on this Google Tag Manager. I have to collect the specific event type from for the e-commerce activities. So for that I use this sample or the developer.google point, from where I can select view item details, select item migration, then add to cart, remove from cart. So each and every sample of data layer is available over here. So I just took a reference of these and just created my tags and trigger based on that, exactly the same they have suggested. And the same setup whatever I have configured on my e-commerce site, I have shared my experience on this blog, and you can copy all these data layer values and attributes and even see on what page I have configured these tags and triggers. And as soon as you click on these pages, you just have to go and click on and just see on the data layer objects whatever the values are available and what are the impressions I'm tracking as a part of it. So for this I will just show you the from starting, just like if I click on this, so this is a view list. So if I click on this, so it should be what kind of list I have viewed, so that should show. So I have configured basically all these tags, but still I will walk you to some of them, so it will give you the clear picture how to configure a specific tag type. And in case you have some questions sort out, you can directly come over here and just tell me whatever your queries, and I will help you on that, so that will not be an issue. Okay, so I will just click on preview mode, and as we preview, as you can see, it is debugging type. Okay, I'll just click on continue. Here it is. Like this. So I'll walk you step by step for all these tags. So if I click on this, as you can see, so this is a listing, and as you see over here, view items list, my tag is filed, and I will show you how I have configured this. Okay, so as you can see, for this I have some variables available. If I go and click on variables, see here it is, view items list, right? And other than that, there is a array of objects. So this is the list basically, and this is same what is suggested by Google over here. If we go into, so I'll just go up, it's just taking time. View item, here it is, select view items list. So it's just like that, view item list, e-commerce items. So each and everything is configured in the same way. If I show you over here, So as you can see, view items list, here it is. So it is all the list of arrays, and the same way you can see items list over here. Okay, and view item list tag. And if I go to Google Tag Manager, I will show you view items list. I just created a tag, view items list, and selected my base tag, and selected event parameter items, and pushed down that array into that. And I have selected the custom parameter view item list, which is already available over here, as you can see. So I selected the event type, custom event type, and configured it for the all custom event type. I can just use it on a specific page also, but that's your choice how you would like to configure all these tags, triggers and variables. So after that, if I click on this, so this is a select item. So as soon as you can see, this is a select item. So if we go on to our this, it will show us. Okay, it's still loading. Here it is, select item, as you can see, and the same values are pushed into. So this is the item type, abominable hoodie TV. So this is just a primary category, then this is a secondary, third, tertiary. So in this way it is getting, and the same thing is recommended over here like this, as you can see. So the same parameter and category type is configured on my side. And if I select now add to cart, so now these are the variables and colors, sizes. So these parameters I have pushed. So it is adding to the card, it should take time. Okay. So here it is, you can see tag is fired, add to cart. As you can see, event add to cart, and the values, what product is added to cart, and even you can see there is a list name, then this, then there is color also, variant, quantity. So in each and everything, just like suggested by Google in their support page, I have used the same structure in each and every tag which I am using. Okay, so if I come back to debug view, now I click on view card, click, it's loading. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a list, and if I go back to my debug mode, here it is. I'll just drag it up. Okay, it's loading. Here it is, a view card tag, as you can see. View card, it's like that, and it is showing all the variables, even the list of parameters. As you can see, list of all the products available in the cart. And if you want to see the data layer objects, you can see that also. I have not used any consent type over here, but we can do that also in these tags. So as you can see, all these things are available. So now we did view list, view item, select item, add to cart, then view cart. After that, there is one more tag which is remove from cart. Okay, so now this is remove from cart. As you can see over here, this is remove from cart. Again, it will show us the items which are removed from the cart. As you can see, here it is, this item was removed from the cart. It is showing like that. And after that, we will just proceed. I have not created the coupon stack, so I cannot show that, but as soon as I create it, I will update this. So now I will select proceed to checkout. So my next tag is begin checkout, as you can see over here. Cart links tags. Okay, it has to be updated. Yeah, it is begin checkout. Actually, this page is taking so much time. Here it is. And now as you can see, begin checkout, and it will show you the array of list which is selected and added to the cart. So I'm proceeding with all these two items of arrays. So in this, as you can see, so I'm using now cash on delivery, but if I click on this, even I can see what kind of payment mode I have selected. As you can see, payment info. So this payment info will also get pushed, and I will show you all these tags are working completely fine. Begin checkout, add payment info, remove from cart, and then add to cart. Then this is view cart, and after that view list, view item. So each and every tag is working completely fine. Now this is I selected. I have to select actually cash on delivery. We are not making any payment. So I'll just place an order. So our last tag is purchase order generated, and we will get to see this now. So this is my order number, and tag, there is a tag of purchase. It will just get updated. Scroll it up. Scroll up. Here it is, purchase tag. Here you can see. So sometimes you see there are two tags it is showing, but I am pushing the value of one into this analytics account, as you can see, and this is another, and this is for my tag manager server which I have created. So I will create a separate video for this, how you can track enhanced e-commerce or e-commerce tracking via Google Tag Manager server. So that I will show you how in a separate video. So this is my purchase tag which is complete. So all these tags, how I have created, how I have configured all these, I have shown it over here. And as you can see, I have created all this list, view item, select item. You can just click on it and drop on there, and you will get the info how I have configured this. And I will be also sharing my this tag manager container export, so that you have to just change this few of the elements, not all the elements, in order to configure that. So I will show you one of the items. If we go on the home page, and if I show you how I have configured these e-commerce items capturing. So when I click on this, so you have to create just this items variable. If you are not able to identify how I have configured it, and just click on data layer. Okay. Yeah, so page was not uploaded. So view items list, just click on this. So what I did, I just captured this e-commerce dot items, and it will just started to show me the array, and I will show you the variable which I have created for the items list. It's over here. I'll just click on items array list. As you can see, e-commerce items, same e-commerce and then items, and you will be able to get all these values in this. So if you want to know more about all the tags and triggers, how you have to create, you just drop in on that section, or you can just join this community and post it over here. Whatever issues you are facing, I will be happy to help you out in each and everything. I have implemented tracks for e-commerce from e-commerce when it was Universal Analytics account, so I know pretty much how you can configure each and everything. So this is it. I will update more as soon as I get more info, or if you ask me specific question type how you have to configure it, then I will be definitely happy to help.